Francis and me. So Francis and me, Kai. Where are we going?
To bus station.
The bus station. Ang lamig. We do banding. Francis and me will do banding. Mag-banding mini Francis.
Really fancy.
Yeah,
No, not that is full, dear.
Yeah?
Yeah, not that is for the oven.
Okay, it's cold. We meet and the bus is coming in 10 minutes.
That buy had
Yeah.
shoes.
I need handshoe.
Yeah, I did that buy had shoes.
Gigutom ang pan.
No, you that buy had shoes.
Yeah, gikan ko sa akong doktor. Nagpa-check up ko, guys. Gi-blood test ko karon.
Mama, you can now
Yeah.
buy some hand shoes.
Yeah. Gi-blood test ko
Because
tapos
Papa
Di man tapaw.
had no hand shoes.
Yeah.
And now did he buy some hand shoes?
yeah,
Look.
gikan ko nagpa-check up. Gi-blood test ko karon din sa January. Ultrasound ko. Nagtagad mi sa akong bus kay mulakaw min Francis lahos ni lakaw. Among balay na ara dito. Dito dapit. Dito. Na street. 3 minutes walk muna din yung bus station. May among lugar, guys. Don't go there. It's winter time. Kuan karon 2 degrees or 1 degree. Tapos ang doktor nara diri unahan. Pod dira rami. Nara diri oh. Pakita na ko sa inyo while gatagad og bus pa di ko tugnaog sa mot, malimot-limot. Nara didto. So si Francis nagkaon sa iyang baon, gibaon niya iyang bread. Muni ang Christmas market dere. Na?
They have so many
Yeah.
things. I can touch
So, ang akong suki. This, let's see, yeah?
Yeah, Sean Winston.
Si Francis.
There.
I don't know. That's the backyard. The back is the Nutella. What? Put your hands in your pocket. No? You wanna go there? Yeah? No? Flash with Ate Francine, yeah? Yeah? Yeah. There's another one. So all the way dito. Sentro. All the way dito paingon isa ka kuan jud ni ka city. Paingon dito. Baligya day nga ni oh. So order sa mi mga on. Happy Meal. So, open it. Pala. I wonder where.
Pictures of this.
Oh, so it's a girl.
That's a picture.
Open it. Just a second. So, maybe it's a girl. On. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Then she can give to you what she has there for boys, okay? Or you can keep this out. Yay! So, it's it. Your-
Need to press this.
Yeah, and then you can talk.
I need to press this. And you can check it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, check it.
Okay. Cool.